Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram not letting you change your profile picture. So if you're facing this problem, your profile picture just does not change. So for those people who do not know how they can change their profile picture in Instagram, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one step for future videos like this. Let's move on. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here and click on edit profile over here and click on change profile photo. Once you click on change profile photo, you can click on import from Facebook, take photo, choose from library. So I'm going to take a photo over here from my camera. So I'm going to take this photo. Once I take the photo, it's going to be changed. So sometimes it's not going to change. What you can do is click on done at the top of your screen. Once you click on done, it's going to load for some time. Once the loading period is over, your profile picture should be changed. But sometimes due to slow internet connection, your profile picture doesn't change as instantly. It's going to take 1 or 2 minutes or 5 minutes to change due to your slow internet connection. So wait for 5 minutes. But if your internet connection is unstable, like it comes, it goes, and it disconnects, it connects, then basically change your internet connection or change it to data connection. All right. Sometimes due to slow internet connection as well, you're going to be facing this problem. And even if it is not your internet and you're still facing the problem, then the profile picture you're trying to upload might be a little bit inappropriate. So Instagram doesn't allow you to post like naked pic or like anything which says rough word in it. So if you're trying to post something with a rough word or like a picture of someone or like something inappropriate, it's not going to be changed. So make sure like the picture is clean and not inappropriate, and it should work. But even if your picture is not inappropriate and like your internet connection is not slow, you're still facing this problem. What you can do is close your Instagram, go under App Store. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem. So what you can do is by going on your App Store. So I'm using iPhone, that's why it's App Store. But if you're using Android, it's going to be Play Store. Just go to App Store, Play Store, check if there is any update. So my Instagram is open, which means my Instagram is up to date. But if it says update, it means my Instagram needs to be updated, and I need to click on that update button and update it. So check if there's any update available or not. If your Instagram is up to date, you're still facing this problem, what you can do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. Once you do that, it's going to reset all its setting, and then try to upload a profile picture. It should work. All right, so that's how you guys can do it. And sometimes Instagram goes like offline. By offline, I mean Instagram servers are going to be off due to like some kind of updating. So Instagram from time to time need to update their server. So if you're at that time, like when Instagram is updating a server, Instagram is not going to work properly. So if you're trying to upload a profile picture at that time, it's not going to work. So you need to check that as well. You can just basically ask your friend if their Instagram is working properly or not. If their Instagram is working properly but yours is not, then basically the server is not offline. But if theirs also not working properly, then the servers are offline. All right, in that case, you just need to wait until they're online again to re-upload your picture. So hope you guys understand. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.